learners, this is Pushkala and we are going to see some of the text functions in Excel. So this is the first part of the text functions. So let's start. I have written here some of the comments. We'll be seeing one by one of these. The first one is exact. Where do we use exact? So let's say exact. And I have written here two of the words. This Anna is same as this Anna. So let's say, comma, the second Anna. If it is equal, then it will write true. If the one cell has something else the other cell has. Let's say the only difference between Barney here is the first one has only first letter capital and the other one has all the letter capital. See what happens if I equal these two. This is false. Capital letter is case sensitive here, so it comes false. And again, so since this is case sensitive, and again I have a space between here. Here I have Charlie, and here I have a space between Char and Lee. See what happens. So exact condition again returns false. So if the two given cells are equal, then it will write true. Even if the letters are in different cases, like uppercase or lowercase, you will get a different result saying false. So this is a case sensitive result. So this is exact. Let us go to the second function. This is find. What are we going to find? Let's say I'm gonna use this Charlie here. I'm gonna say find. I want to find this Lee here. Lie. Then I'm gonna select this character and it's gonna say where exactly the character is found. The L is in the place of fifth. C is 1, H is 2, A is 3, and R is 4, and L is 5. So that is what is given here. Let's say, let's find with another one. Find N in Barney. So we already know it is going to be 4. So that is what it is going to write. So find will exactly give you the number of that character, how many letters it is taking, how fifth letter, seventh letter. That is what you get from the find. Let's go to the left operator. See how that works. Left operator is nothing but, let's write Barney again here. And I'm gonna write nothing. So it writes the left side character B. By default, only given the text alone, it writes B. So see what happens if I give a number after that. I'm gonna write this Barney again and I'm gonna say 4. From left side, it is going to write 4 letters, Barn. It is going to write 4 letters from the left side. That is what left operation does. The same goes for right. If I just give, let's go with Charlie here. If I just give Charlie, it is going to write E. If I give 3, I'm gonna get lie. Let's do this. Right. And I'm gonna select Charlie and I'm gonna say 3 characters. It is going to write 3 characters from the right side, which is lie. And if you want to just find the length of the character, you can just write len function. Select a cell and that's it. 5 characters. Kevin has 5 characters. And let's see what mid function does. Mid function is nothing but you will be selecting a text. I'm going with Patrick and I'm gonna say it is gonna start with 3 and it is going to retrieve 4 characters. From the third letter T, it is writing B the next 4 characters, TRIC. That is what mid function does. It is like a segmentation thing. If you want a specific characters from inside a text, you can use this mid operation. And let's say how trim works. I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna give 3 spaces and mic. and I'm gonna give 3 spaces. See how the difference between this one and this one. It has some unnecessary spaces in here. We can remove that spaces by using trim operation. Trim, I'm selecting mic, and that's all. The unwanted spaces in this cell has been removed. And let's go with upper operation. It just converts all the letters into uppercase. Nick is N only is here in this capital letter. Now all of the letters are in capital letters. Let's go with lower function. It does the exact opposite. In Olsen, it is going to convert all the letters to lowercase. So this is part 1 of text functions. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section. And thank you so much.